Good morning, student. Myself Santosh Kumar Srivastava. Today I will find the relation between U, V, and F for concave lens. Let a concave lens fix optical center C and surface P1 and P2 on its principal axis at u meter distance. There is an object O dash placed. A light ray travels from O dash parallel along to the principal axis, and after refraction it appears to passes through the focal point of the lens. Another light ray travels from O dash and passes after refraction passes through the optical center of the lens. The optical center of the lens. The light ray AF and OC meet together at a point I dash. From there, if we draw a perpendicular on the principal axis I dash, is the image of the object O dash. The image formed from the surface P1 at B meter distance. Here we see we have two triangle O dash C. O dash C and हमने देखा है वो O dash C and I dash C. I dash C. In this triangle O dash C and O dash OC is equal to I dash IC. I dash IC. Why? Because these are both are 90-degree angle, and in both triangle angle O dash CO is common. Angle O dash CO is common. Thus it is clear triangle O dash C and I dash C, triangle O dash C are similar to triangle I dash C. It is clear. So from the rule of similarity we can write here the relation O dash upon I dash is equal to CO upon CI. CO upon CI. equation number 1. In same way, again we take two triangle ACF and IF. Triangle ACF and triangle IF. You can also see here angle ACF and angle IF also are 90 degree. Angle ACF is equal to angle IF because both are 90 degree angle. And angle F is common. Angle F is common and angle F is common angle. Angle F is common angle. So it is clear that triangle ACF also similar to triangle IIF. If we write the relation, then we will find CA upon IIF is equal to CF upon FI. FI is equal to CF minus CI. So we can write here CA upon II dash is equal to CF upon CF minus CI. But light ray O dash travel parallel along to the principal axis, so CA is equal to O dash. So CA is equal to O dash. Thus OO dash upon II dash is equal to CF upon CF minus CI. It is equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, we can see here LHS side of these equations are equal, so right hand side also will be equal, so that we can write here from equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. CO upon CI is equal to CF upon CF minus CI. Here you see all the distance measure left hand side of the optical center of the lens. So these distance are negative. CO is equal to minus U. CI is equal to minus V and CF is equal to minus F. If we put these value in equation number 3rd, we can get minus U upon minus V is equal to minus F upon minus F plus V. If we cross multiply, then we will get in further step minus UF into minus F minus U into plus V, that is equal to minus V into minus F. Then we can write in next step UF minus UV is equal to VF. If we solve this equation, then we will get in further step UF minus VF is equal to UV. On dividing from UVF, on dividing both sides of the equation from UVF, then we will get UF minus VF is equal to UVF. Here you see UF is cancelled to UF and VF is cancelled to VF, UV is cancelled to UF. Then we will find the relation 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. This is the relation between U, V and F for concave lens.